Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are diving into something that every car owner deals with, keeping that interior looking spotless. But here is a question. Would you rather spend 2000 at a service center or do it yourself for just a fraction of the cost? In today's video, we are reviewing the 3M Foaming Interior Cleaner, a product that claims to give your car that fresh feel without the dealership price. We'll be testing it out, showing you how it works and comparing it to what you would get if you paid a professional. By the end, you'll know if this little can is a game changer for your car cleaning routine or just another product on the shelf. Stick around because you won't want to miss the cost comparison and our final verdict. The 3M Foaming Interior Cleaner is a versatile cleaning product designed specifically for car interiors. It promises to remove dirt, grime and stains from a variety of surfaces including fabric, vinyl, leather and plastic. The product is packaged in an easy-to-use can which dispenses a thick foam that clings to the surfaces, breaking down and lifting away contaminants. Using the 3M Foaming Interior Cleaner is a breeze. Shake the can well before use to ensure the foam is properly mixed. Spray the foam directly onto the area you want to clean. Make sure to cover the surface evenly. Allow the foam to sit for a few minutes. This gives it time to break down dirt and stains. Gently scrub the area with a soft brush to work the foam into the surface. Wipe the area with a damp microfiber cloth. Finally, wipe down with a clean dry cloth and repeat the process if necessary for stubborn stains. As we are getting our car to shine with just a few treatments, why not treat our skin too? Introducing the Ozone Ayurvedics Gold Facial Kit, an affordable and effective way to get that festive glow right at home. Illuminate your festivities with a golden glow from Ozone Ayurvedics Illuminous Gold Kit. This kit reduces acne scars, leaves the skin radiant and luminous, and minimizes clogged pores. Get a gold light glow this festive season for just ₹250 with Ozone Ayurvedic Kit. Now let's talk about what really matters. Does it work? The 3M Foaming Interior Cleaner is particularly effective on light to moderate stains. It does an excellent job of lifting dirt and grime, leaving the surface looking refreshed. However, for more stubborn stains, you might need to apply it a couple of times. One of the standout features is a quick drying time. After wiping away the foam, the surfaces are left clean and dry within a few minutes without any sticky or greasy residue. Now let's talk about the cost. Many of us wonder whether it's more cost effective to clean the car's interior ourselves or to leave it to the professionals. If you take your car to a service center for a professional interior cleaning, you can expect to pay anywhere from ₹1,000 to ₹2,500 depending on the type of vehicle and the extent of cleaning required. On the other hand, purchasing a can of 3M Foaming Interior Cleaner will cost you approximately ₹400 to ₹600. One can is typically enough for multiple cleaning sessions depending on how thorough you are and the size of your car's interior. If you choose to clean the car yourself using the 3M Foaming Interior Cleaner, the initial cost is much lower. Plus, you will have the product on hand for regular touch-ups, saving money over time. If you're someone who likes to keep your car's interior consistently clean without breaking the bank, this 3M Foaming Interior Cleaner is a great option. You will save money and with a bit of effort you can achieve results that are nearly as good as a professional service. That's it for today's review of the 3M foaming interior cleaner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews. If you have used this cleaner before, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. I'll see you soon with another video. You guys stay safe and stay happy. Bye.